how to download and install Safari on your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download and install Safari on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and just simply copy and paste the link which you've just mentioned in the description. You just need to simply go with the description and you will get the link. So this website is TechSpot, and here you will have the download link. So what you need to do is simply go with download now, which is here in the middle of your screen. So what you need to do is simply go with download, and once you go with download, it will start the download process, and you can go with download unverified file, which will be on the upper right, and it will start the download process. Wait for it to download. It might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. Once it's downloaded, you can simply open up that file. Once you open, you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with next. And here, make sure to accept the terms and license agreement, and then go with next again. And here again, go with next and go with install. Once you click on install, it will start the install process, and make sure to choose the destination that you would like to install your Safari, and then go with OK and install. And in this way, you'll be able to install a Safari on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.